Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this one, we're going to do something a little bit different. It's kind of like a food channel. We went and got some pizza, and we made something called Spice Bag. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Thanks for the coffee. That's our style.
We're in Dublin. Yeah, I know. What are we doing here?
We're getting pizza.
Yeah, going to Dublin for pizza.
But first we had to buy a stick.
Buy a stick. My stick.
Mark
It's a
got a shillelagh. He's very happy.
Yeah.
And you know where you get shillelagh sticks in Ireland?
Tell them.
In a town called Shillelagh.
Because that's where they sell them.
Yeah, and that's where they make them.
That's where they make them by a little guy named Shillelagh. No, it's not his name. But, yeah. So Bob's Pizza we had last year.
Yeah. After
And
the amusement park.
We've been following them. And we figured out where they are. And where are they? They're here.
Look how beautiful this is. Some dude's house though, eh?
Yeah, it was
Used to
somebody's estate, yeah. So this is, Bob's Pizza Truck is right around the corner. We drove how long?
2 hours.
2 hours to get here. So, let's hope the pizza's good today. Nothing else, it was a nice ride to Dublin. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Just wandering around Ireland.
That's what we do. So we're back in Dublin at Bob's Pizza. This is Bob's Pizza. They're making pizzas for us. I got a pepperoni. What'd you get, Beth?
Hawaiian.
Hawaiian.
It's sacrilegious, but I did.
Pizza, but you did it. Got some water, some Sprite. Beautiful day in Dublin. And happy to be back at Bob's Pizza.
Check out the park.
Yeah, you're going to be on my YouTube channel.
There could be a few benches like the one that's over there. I think there's a few benches every few 50 walks.
I have one of them cameras too.
Do you?
Yeah.
You love it? I love it.
So,
Yeah. Works really well.
Yeah, such good quality for being so small.
Yep. Plus you can turn it around like that.
Where are you guys from?
Originally Chicago, Illinois, currently Florida.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, so
And are you on holiday here or you got family here?
holiday. We spend like 6 months in the UK.
Yeah.
Or
Europe.
in the UK.
And Ireland, of course.
You understood the assignment there. Just be careful with your son.
Best pizza ever just went in the oven. And now the magic is happening. So how hot's the oven?
It gets to 500 degrees.
500 degrees. Fahrenheit.
Is that Fahrenheit?
No Celsius.
Celsius. Oh.
Celsius. Look at that. Quick.
how pressure is.
I know, yeah.
I'm zooming right in on you. Don't smile.
Be all over America, it's nice.
Yeah, we're huge. We have like almost 500 subscribers. So there's a pizza. There's another pizza. We're gonna walk these back up to the RV.
Number one? Yes. Here you go.
Is that pepperoni, Hawaiian.
It's nice just to smell the wood fire.
You just had the pizza in Chicago though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's different.
Okay, yeah.
But pizza's different all over the world.
Everywhere you go, even in Italy,
Yeah,
everywhere.
your Hawaiian and your hot pepperoni.
Perfect. Look at that.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, you guys. We'll see you next year.
Looking forward to it.
Enjoy the rest of your trip.
Thank you. We're going to try something new today. This is called Spice Bag. It's a takeaway seasoner. So basically, if you can see on the picture, it's chicken gorgons and fries or chips with onion and green pepper, and it all cooks up in a wok. So in continuing with our food channel, we're going to try and cook this up. It's a rainy day. We're still at a place called Malzard's in Stoneyford, Ireland. We're kind of just chilling, laying back, waiting for the ferry. So, Beth, you ready for Spice Bag?
Yeah, I wasn't too supportive of your spice bag
Why is that?
because it has MSG in it.
Oh my God, MSG!
But you only use half a teaspoon. So, yeah, that won't kill me. So, I'm good. I'll try it. And it has vegetables. I didn't think there were any vegetables involved.
Well,
so.
honestly, I don't think you could eat this whole thing and it would kill you, because I don't think they'd sell it if it would kill you.
Well, you know what I mean.
So, Beth doesn't like MSG. I'm not a particular big fan of it either, but I'll eat it. I mean, it's the first ingredient in the spice bag thing. No, it isn't. First ingredient is salt. Then MSG, then onion salt, then spices, and what have you. So, I think it's good. We'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated as we go along. These are chicken gorgons. We're going to cook these for 18 minutes in the air fryer. We also have to cook these chips. Chips take 12 minutes in the air fryer. So, did we cook too many chickens? I think we're going to take a couple out. I'll keep you updated. So, update. Here we go. We got green pepper and onion chopped up. I'm pretty happy with the way our cooking channel's going so far. I put the onions and green pepper into the frying pan here, or the wok. Show you that. That's it. We used sesame oil. And anyway, I read on the directions that we're supposed to add the spice to it. We got the chips and the chicken in there. It smells pretty good. I'm leaving those kind of stay warm. And I'm going to add the spice here, and we'll show you what the final is. So that's what she looks like all tossed. I added some more spice. But yeah, that's our lunch. We'll see how it tastes. So that's what it looks like in the bowl, which is how I've elected to serve it. I don't know if it's supposed to come with ketchup or soy sauce or anything, but that's what it is. Beth, can I ask you what you thought of it?
It's good. It's a spicy French fry. Or
Okay.
It's different. It's very different.
Have you been into the chicken at all yet?
No, it's too hot to eat.
All right. Well, we're going to eat this and enjoy it, and then we'll let you guys know what we think of Spice Bag, homemade style, on Up and Down the Road's cooking channel. That's what we've turned into, a cooking channel. Oh well, we're having a good time in Ireland, trying stuff. So here we go. So to summarize, that's what's left of the spice bag. So, personally, I enjoyed it. I thought it was good. It was a little bit spicy, but not that much. It was more like Irish spice. Most food in Ireland isn't very hot. So it was a little bit spicy for that. It had some red peppers in it. Very curry-like. A lot of curry sauce feel to it. I was very surprised with the chips. in the air fryer, they were good.
Yeah.
The chicken gorgons or whatever they're called, those were good as well. In short, I'd eat it again, but I'm not sure I will because it's really not good for you. Beth, what did you think?
I enjoyed it. I was surprised how good the chicken and the fries heated up in the air fryer. You know how good they were.
Mm-hmm.
They're really, really nice. It needed a sauce. It was too dry. So you made me a sauce, and that's what it was then. It was perfect.
Yeah, it's more. Most Chinese food that we eat and that we're used to has a sauce. It has a brown sauce or a sweet and sour sauce or some kind of a sauce. This did not, so we just mixed some mayonnaise and some of the spice bag seasoning,
Yeah.
which we have a whole jar left of it. You only use like a teaspoonful of this stuff, so it's pretty powerful spice. All right, so that's our lunch, and time to move on to the next thing.
And that's the end of our cooking segment. A little something different for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, and we'll see you up and down the road.